So short session today. It's day 11 and it's called the Magic Morning. And let's read it. Let's start with an invocation first. The Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Maha Guruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, spiritual helpers to my heart soul, to Rhonda Byrne, to each and every person connected to this book, to the magic word thank you, to all of you, to each and every person on this group, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is very interesting. It's called Magic Morning, very small, 1.5 pages chapter. So I think this session is going to be hardly 10 minutes. So this is day 11 that starts tomorrow morning, right? So this Magic Morning thing begins tomorrow morning. Up until day 10 we should have 100 things that we are grateful for, all the money, all the abundance that surrounds us, relationships, prosperity, each and everything that we experience every day. We have now, I think, programmed ourselves to be grateful for, and some of us have already, including me, I am really experienced. I'm actually very, I think I'm high on gratitude these days, you know. So some of us have already experienced some amazing magical stories in our lives, and some of us are still kind of looking forward for more. But the only thing is that express more and more gratitude, and nothing is going to you know, stop you from receiving abundance that's already there for you. Something that I wanted to tell you, which is from the beginning of this book only, is that the ideas that we have about our life, uh, whatever idea that is being planted in our soul. So we must kind of express gratitude in advance for these dreams and desires that we have, without any doubt, you know, that will it happen, will it not happen, how will it happen. I'm some of you have expressed your doubts with me, which is very nice. And you know, you are so some of us are so limited with the demographics of our situations. For example, people are thinking that I am like right now in Jaipur, how can I kind of ask for this, because that thing is in supposedly manifests in Delhi. Anything can happen in the universe. These are blockages of the personality and everything. So these ideas, if you have in your conscious subconscious mind, they are planted in your soul for a reason. That's why somebody wants to fly a plane, and somebody wants to make some, you know, scientific inventions, somebody wants to join the army, somebody wants to become a spiritual. These are the things that need to be manifested with our soul, so with this body, with our soul. So without any doubt, kind of start expressing gratitude in advance for all these things. So to start with the reading for day 11, a magic morning. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius, Roman Emperor. So, Roman Emperor is saying that when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, and to love. The easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time, because you can do it naturally as you go about everything that you do. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude, because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts without realizing you're doing it. I'm going to repeat this line again. there is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude, because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative the first thing in the morning. All right. So you have to kind of be extremely grateful as soon as you get up. And the first thing that you can feel grateful about as soon as you awake in the morning is being alive, still breathing, like still being able to see, being able to live and to live another day. So there is no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and much confident. And that's when you will see the magic before your very eyes. When you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic word, thank you, thank you, thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you've been given another day of life. Your life is a gift, every day is a gift. And when you really think about it, it's inconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are or if your alarm has woken you up or not. If you have slept in during the weekend, the moment you wake, say magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you for another day of your life. Say thank you for the good night's sleep that you've received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Thank you. This is the question that you should ask yourself. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Then thank you, really. Are your feet hitting the ground? As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Say thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive water? Clean water every morning? Thank you. Electricity? Thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across the country, throughout your city, and along the streets to your home so you can turn a tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water. Thank you. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not even begin so pleasantly. Thank you for the towel, the soap, the mirror, everything in the bathroom, in your room, and you use to make you feel fresh. Thank you for the coffee, the breakfast, anything and everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to wear from. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making these various items. Thank you. It's like the clothes you put in one day come from many countries across the planet. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everybody. Do you have shoes? Thank you. Imagine your life without them. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind. In the morning, J.B. Presley, writer and a playwright. Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic word, thank you. In your mind, for everything you touch and use, thank you. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed the first thing in the morning. You can still the magic morning practice as a guide. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, thank you. Then as you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say thank you. To make your morning routines more enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for each and everything that is there to make your morning a morning. Every day without exception, I say thank you as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other foot touches the floor. So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you as I walk towards my day, either to my kitchen, to my bathroom. I just keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked. And I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power within me. Because one good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I'm even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know those days when everything just seems to go right for you? Well, that's what it is like after doing the magic morning, but multiplied. You know those days when everything just seems to go right for you? Well, that's what it is like after doing magic morning, but multiplied. That's the end of chapter, and that's it. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, just express gratitude, write 10 more things, maybe identify one more relationships, be grateful for your one body organ. Maybe you can see, so let's be grateful for eyes tomorrow, or your heart, or your mind, or your brain, your full body, your everything. Just tomorrow, be grateful for each and everything. And you will automatically be grateful for each and everything if you start your day with magic morning. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the session. And tomorrow is Magical People Who Made the Difference. Very, very amazing chapter. I've already read it. I'm already almost 3 days ahead of you, all of you who are joining these sessions. So, magical people who made a huge difference, who made a difference are, we are going to learn about them tomorrow. We are going to learn about that tomorrow. So, that's it. Let's close the session. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grandmaster Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji, may to the great, great ones. Holy Gurus, Holy Master Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all those spiritual helpers. To you, to all of you, thank you. To Rhonda and to each and every person connected to this book, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm just going to upload the link very, very soon. And thank you for sharing the links. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for practicing this every day with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, and have a very good night and a magical morning tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.